Okay, so right now let me talk about how you can attach a scanned document in the document files in the iPhone when you want to send it over through the email. Let's get started. And if it's your first time on Foxtecc, make sure you become part of the community by subscribing, and that way you'll never miss anything important. So of course, there are more ways how you can scan the document. The most common one is by opening up the Files app and literally just going to any folder or place where you want to put it or store it, then tapping the three dots and clicking the scan a document, right? So you can, of course, point your camera at the document, whatever, and it will be saved in that particular folder. Right, so it might be on your local storage in the on my iPhone, or you can decide a specific place for it. But the point is that you can then either open up the Mail app, which might be the Apple Mail client or whatever, start a new message, and you can tap on the like attachment tool, or the paperclip icon, which lets you open up some different attachments, right? So you can see we even have the ability to scan the documents right away inside of the Mail app, but I can also click on attach file and just go to that folder where I saved it previously and just click on it to attach it to my message. So it would be that simple. Or one more option is by going to the Files app directly and getting to the scanned document, and as such holding down on it and clicking on share and choosing the mail from here. So we're basically doing the same thing just from different angles, but at the end of the day it's pretty simple, and that's how it works. So I would really appreciate your feedback below. Just let me know if you managed to make it work for yourself as well. But for now, that's it. Thanks a lot, and I'll catch you later.